Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this famous Supra from Hotwheels, part of the Silver Series line, and you know who drove it in the Fast and Furious movies. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So the Silver Series set lies somewhere in between premium and main lines. That's why you will see good details on it, better than mainline, but misses around some stuff than premium. Let's talk about this one. So up front, you got good details. You got detailed headlamp, Toyota badge, and the grille, which is again painted. It looks good. You'll see this modified hood. It does miss on mirrors, and I know why. Because it must be an older casting. Yep, it's from 2012. Now Hotwheels has started doing mirrors. But the most important thing about this car is this paint job, because it's the replica of the car in the Fast and Furious. So let's move to the side. Now on the side, you can see it's got that paint theme which it follows from the Fast and Furious movies. I do like the wheels. I've seen this on other Hot Wheels Silver Series cars too. They look nice. They look better than the usual 5-spoke. It also has a body kit on it, so you can see it's slightly flared. Door handles. Let's move to the back now. Good details on the back too. You've got the detailed tail lamp, you've got the stop lamp, Toyota badge, twin exhaust, and the Supra badge too. Huge wing. Again, it's a modified Japanese car. It needs to have a huge wing and bigger exhaust. You can't miss this paint job, right? It's unique. It's done in the Fast and Furious movies. You don't get this paint from factory, so it's unique, right? Now let's move to the other side, and I'm assuming this is the passenger side. I'm just assuming. So it has got fuel filler on this side, which wasn't there on the other side, on the driver's side. This is how it looks from the top, and the interior is done in black. Don't think you can really see it from here, but it has got a bar here, so it's I don't know if it's a roll cage or it's just a bar there, but I can see a bar here. I can't really see much details inside, but because everything is in black and there are not that many details which you can figure out. So should you get one? Depends on you. If you are a fan of Fast and Furious movies, you should go get this one. If you're not, if you're just a fan of Supra, even then you can, add it to your collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.